Data from the World Health Organization indicates Nigeria has the highest prevalence of malaria globally. A report by the Global Health Body in 2021 shows Nigeria has 27% of the global malaria cases and accounts for 32% of worldwide deaths caused by the disease. And so it was some sort of relief across the country when the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control NAFDAC announced the provisional approval of the Oxford University R21 malaria vaccine for use in children from 5 months to 36 months of age. But the WHO now says that approval may have been premature.
That particular vaccine is still being studied. WHO does not have the full complement of data and information to enable it to endorse it or recommend it for use.
Countries like Ghana and Kenya had adopted the RTSS malaria vaccine, which the WHO has endorsed as efficacious. However, Nigeria adopted the R21 vaccine, which is different from the RTSS. Health experts have expressed their concerns about that move.
It was a bit speedy on the part of NAFDAC to go ahead and approve the vaccine without the necessary due diligence of trials, and also to wait for collaborative data from the WHO experts and other countries who are actually studying this.
NAFDAC has now said it will begin its own clinical trial of the R21 vaccine in the next couple of weeks. Speaking on the local television show, the head of the agency says it decided not to go for the RTSS vaccine because it has concerns over its effectiveness. Part of what she said reads, NAFDAC tested the second vaccine, RTSS, and was not found effective enough. Nigeria is part of this one, that is R21. We give provisional approval after a very rigorous approval process. End of quote. She added that despite the provisional approval for the R21 vaccine, it would not be administered until it undergoes all the required tests in the country. Experts say the whole situation should have been better handled.
The first tranche of the vaccine is expected to arrive Nigeria by the mid of next year. I think sometime in June, July of next year. So it's important that people know and people are willing to take the vaccine. So whatever we know probably that could be associated with vaccine hesitancy, we need to address them by nipping in the bud, and that can only be done through effective health education.
Ongoing trials of the R21 malaria vaccine have shown it to have efficacy of between 70 to 80% at 12 months following the fourth dose. Data from an ongoing phase 3 clinical trial in Burkina Faso, Kenya, Mali and Tanzania are due to be published in the coming months. DG Bademasi, CGTN, Lagos, Nigeria.